Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. In my last video, we have tell that how we can install and download the Elasticsearch and Kibana and how we can install it on the Windows operating system, right? So after that, we have created the video in which we have used start.spring.io to create the project and the project called www.leopard.com where all the poetries can be submitted, and that project will be definitely we are using the Elasticsearch. So the Elasticsearch is a NoSQL database basically, where all the things that we generally save the data in database in the rows and columns. So, but here we definitely we generally save the data as a JSON object, right? So in the last video we just created that project, but this video is I'm going to explain you that what of the packages will be there in the project, and these the packages that we are going to create now, this will be the base understanding of any of the project. So this package structure that I am going to tell you, you can follow these package structure in any of the project, either it is Elasticsearch, Postgres, or any MongoDB related project, or any of the project you want to develop in Java. So that will be the good package structure understanding that I will give you today. So please follow this video carefully and listen it. And thank you for supporting my channel and giving me the subscribers and increasing the views. So I really thank you so much, guys. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon so that you can get the latest videos notification. And if you are already a subscriber, if you are not getting the notification, please make sure that the bell icon is already pressed. So please support my channel and please support me in this YouTube journey, because I am also a new one who is coming on the YouTube. So please subscribe it and share the videos with your friends. So let's do not waste too much time on this thing. Let's start that how the project structure will be over there, right? So first of all, this is the package structure that we already defined it by the Maven, right? So here's the application.java class. Let us rename it as Love Poet Web Application, right? Then enter, then finish. It will rename the test class. Then also that is fine. So it is just I'm done the naming. Then inside this base package of LabPoint, we will create the controller package. So basically, controller packages, guys, where all the controller classes will comes up, like the endpoints. You can say the API endpoint classes will comes up in this particular package. So controller is the package. Now after the controller, there will be the config package. So as you can see, the name is already clearing up the understanding that what the package will be concluding in it. That is the all the configurations. Either it can be related to database, or it can be related to scheduling, or it can be related to security. Any kind of configuration that we are going to do in this project or any of the project. So that project will contain that config package, and inside that config package all the configurations will comes up, right? So after the config package there will be one more package dot constants, where all the constants we are going to define. Please, I suggest never use the constant hard code in your any of the classes. Instead of hard coding that, define the constant class properly so that it can be changed at one place and can be reflected over all the areas where we are using it, right? So constant package we have created. After the constant package, there will come the exception package. In the exceptions package, all the exceptions that we are going to throw in our project will come over here. Even the global exception handler class will also comes inside the exceptions package. So I hope this exceptions package is also clear to you. Now we will move towards the another package called form. So basically form package is nothing but a package where we will introduce all the request body classes or the request payload model, right? Whatever the request payload that are coming to us, the class we will create. So that class will comes up in the form package, right? So after the form package, we will create the DTO package. So, what is the difference? So, before telling you the difference, so let's understand that what the package will conclude. So, DTO package will conclude also the POJO classes, but that classes will be the DTO class means the classes that will having the response that we are sending back to the client, right? So, form and DTO basically differences in form the classes will be those which we are taking the request from the client side, means the request payload, right? But in the DTO package, it is just opposite, that whatever the data we are sending back to the client side, the beans that we are creating it, that should be comes up in the DTO class. I hope the difference is clear. I am again telling you the difference, that in the form package, the classes will come which the request we are receiving from the client end, client to server, right? But in DTO class, whatever the response or the classes from the server to client that we are sending, that will comes in the DTO package, right? After that, DTO package, one more things will comes up, that will be the service package, right? And all the services that we will define in that will comes over here, right? So service will have the two things. One is the service package, and inside the service package one will be the IMPL package. So inside the service package, all the interfaces will be designed, and in the IMPL package we will design all the implementation of those services, right? After that, there will be the repository package. Repository package. So in the repository package, all the repositories will comes up. Means the DAO layers. Whatever the DAO layers will be presented, that will come up over here, right? So repository means the package where we will define the DAO layer, or you can say the database layer, right? So after creating the repository, there will comes up the thing called models, or you can say the entity, the documents. So model, entity, document, any of the name you can give it to that. I am considering the model. So basically in this package, we will concluding all the entities, like the documents, like if we talk about the uh, RDBMS side, right? So whatever the table means JPA entities, that will be comes up in the model package. And if we talk about the NoSQL database, so generally whatever the document or the things, the classes where the JSON document that we are going to save in our NoSQL database, so that classes will come inside the model package, right? So I hope this understanding is clear to you, that whatever the classes related to database entities or the models, that will comes up in the model package. You can rename it as a entity package also. That is your choice, right? So we have till now the config, constant, controller, DTO, exceptions, form, model, repository, service, and service IMPL. There is one more package called util package, where all the utility classes will be come over here. right? So you have to understand that whatever the utility package means utilities that you are creating, like a common class where we can have the things related to like date management, right? So there are several methods of converting the dates or converting DTOs or something. So that things we can put it into the utility package, right? So that package will be the utility package or utils package. After the utils package, there will be one more package that will be the helper package, and that will be comes inside the service. So I will explain you clearly that what is the helper, but this will be like whatever the private methods are in the service to reduce the code, that will comes up in the helper package. That I will explain you more clearly when we'll go deeply with the coding part. But for now, if you want to understand that if you in the service layer the code is getting lengthy, we generally break it down to the nested method, right? So that nested method should be private. So instead of putting that into the service layer itself, right, we are creating just an helper. So that is the only thing that we will conclude in the helper package. I hope all the packages are done, but if any of the package will be required later on, I will create that package later on the videos. So I think this package structure is very clear to you guys. So this package structure is very common, right? So this package structure you must follow in each and every application development. Either you are doing the front end development, either you are doing the back end development, but this base structure is very very important. So please keep focus on this video, and you can pause the video and restart the video to check and understand that what each and every package means to be, right? So thank you for watching this video, guys. I am closing this video for now. We will move to the another video in which we will create the date documents, or means the structure that we are going to save inside the JSON, right? So that things we will connect in the later videos. But for this video, I think the importance was for making you understand the structures or the package structure that we need to follow in our project. So I hope this package structure is clear to you guys. So please support my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you really like the video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye for now. Take care.